Listen, if there is a way you can monetize the YouTube channel without 4,000 watch hours, you can literally monetize the YouTube channel with less than 1,000 subscribers, maybe like 100, 200, 500 subscribers. Even from one subscriber, you can start monetizing your channel with this strategy. Now, if there is a strategy like this, will you allow me to show you? Because that is exactly what I'm about to teach you in this video, okay? Because a lot of people come on YouTube and promise to show you how to make money and all that, and probably themselves never do this. That is why I will show you proof that this thing works, and that is exactly how I monetize this my channel, okay? So let me show you proof right now. All right, so this is my laptop screen, and you can see I'm on my email. This is my Gmail account, right? So once on my email, and I'll just go on the search bar and I'll search something like "you just received the payment," right? You can see I've been receiving a lot of payment with this system on this channel, all right? So the one I want to show you is the one I received on the 14th of February, which is last month, all right? Now you can see this is the date here, this 14th of February, all right? This is not a screenshot, this is a live demonstration, all right? So you can see, here is my name, Hello Siaka Momojimo. You just received a payment of 441,000 Naira, okay? So this is exactly the system we use in monetizing our channel, okay? With less than 1,000 subscribers, with less than 4,000 watch hours, okay? This system of monetizing your YouTube channel is called affiliate marketing business, all right? So I'm going to be explaining in detail exactly how you can do this, how you can literally start monetizing your channel with this business model right now, right here, today, all right? So immediately you finish watching this video, you can go and start monetizing your own channel with this strategy, okay? I started making money on this channel right from where it was maybe like 10 subscribers, 9 or so, okay? I've shown you proof. Now here's exactly how this business strategy will work, right? So the very first thing is you become a partner, right? So you partner with brand and product owners. If I go on my screen right now and I show you something, right? If you see the email I received was actually from this brand, okay? Ex-partner, okay? So you have to partner with a brand, all right? So when you partner with a brand, they will give you what you call an affiliate link, right? So you go ahead and you create a Google slide or any slide at all about this product, right? Then you stream it live, and at the end of your streaming, you drop your link, okay? Now, let me show you how I streamed mine live, all right? So this is my YouTube channel right now. This is my dashboard, and if I come on live, you can see it here. This is live, and you can see them here, 7-figure business training. This one has not gotten many views yet, but this one I've gotten about 104 views, 288 views, 150 views, 186 views, 226 views. So they are very much, right? So that is exactly how we do it, all right? So who are these brands and where do you find them, okay? Now, there are a couple of platforms we use, both free and paid. You can find this brand and partner with them, all right? Now, the one I work with is expartner.com, all right? And other ones you can work with are affiliate.seller.co. Now, another one is staycut.com. Another one is warriorplus.com. So some of them are free, some of them are not free, okay? Like the first two are not free. These are ex-partner, and ex-partner charge about 10,000 Naira per year, and seller charge about $2 or 3,000 Naira per year, okay? So once you partner with a brand and you've been given your affiliate link, so the next step is actually creating a slide, okay? Just go on your browser and search Google Slides, right? So you see something like this, click on the first link and they will ask you to sign up, right? So, or sign in with your email account. It is free. You don't have to pay for that, right? So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is actually streaming this live, okay? So after creating your Google slide, so the next step is streaming this live. So how do you stream them live, okay? So we stream it live using a software. So if I come on my screen right now, go back to my YouTube, and if you see this thing right now, I have an upcoming webinar, but if you see this thing right now, this 7-figure business training, you can see that streaming software, right? So I didn't come on YouTube to actually stream this thing. There is a software I use. Now this software is called StreamYard, all right? Now it is free to sign up, and it's free. You can stream on this software for free. They also have a premium version. If you want to record this thing and stream it live, there's a way they do it, all right? And if you want to create a step-by-step video training on exactly how to record the webinar and stream them live, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be showing you, all right? So all you just have to do is, once you are here on StreamYard.com, click on Get Started. It's very simple, and you just have to sign up with your email address and you have access to their dashboard. Very easy to to navigate and all that. Then upload your slide and go live and talk about this thing. All right, here is exactly where you start making money. Okay, pay very close attention to this section. All right, so at the end of your webinar, you drop what we call an affiliate link. All right, in the comment sections and also on the description of your videos. Okay, people who watch this your video and they are interested in buying this product from this brand, you'll be paid money for just doing that. In some cases, some of these brands, they pay up to like 50%, 70%. Okay, so what this means is if the product costs about $100, you'll be paid about $50 or $70 on some cases. Okay, so this is exactly how I monetize my YouTube channel with less than 1,000 subscribers. No watch hour required. Okay, so if you watch this video to this extent and if not subscribe, I still don't know what you're waiting for. All right, so make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, because every single day I'll be dropping videos like this that will help you to make some money online. Okay, I hope you got value from this video. All right, see you on the next one.